morning students. Today we will discuss or start our chapter D block, that is the unit 8 in chemistry part of class plus 2. Beta, as you learn the periodic table, structure of periodic table is like this one. Basic structure of periodic table is just like this one. Or moreover, if you want to discuss completely, that is incomplete, 7th period is incomplete period, you will see like this. It is group 1, group 2, this is group 3 to group 12, beta 13 to 18, and these elements are present between group 3 and group 4. It is period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7th period is incomplete period. Beta, first and second group are included in S block because last electron of these two groups enter in S orbital. Electronic configuration of first group is NS1. Number of shell N will be changed number of time, but outermost electron enter in S orbital, so included in S block. Same for 2, it is NS2. That means N is again the number of shells or periods, and last orbital is S orbital. Electron enter in it. The electron enter in which orbital, that element belongs to that block. Beta, in case of group 1 and group 2, last electron enter in S orbital, so it is known as S block. From 13 to 18, last electron enter in P orbital, so these are known as P block elements. This one P block. And 3 to 12 electron enter in, last electron enter in D orbital, so it is known as D block element. And here only 28 elements are present. 2 rows are present. Beta, first one is known as lanthanoid and second one is the actinoid. This lanthanoid and actinoids belongs to group 6 and group 7. Last electron of these will be entering F orbital, so these are included in F block. You know very well S block elements and P block elements are known as representative elements. Representative elements because these elements are present in our surrounding. We know these elements very well. We use these elements by knowing them or without knowing them. D block elements are known as transition element. Elements involved in D block are known as transition elements. And in case of F block, beta, these F block elements are present between D block elements like this and this position, so these are known as inner because they are present inside the transition element. These are inner transition elements. Today we will discuss only about the D block elements. Clear? D block elements are known as transition element. All the elements involved in D block are metallic in nature, so these are also known as transition metals. All elements involved in D block, either in D block or inner D block, that is F block, Both are purely metal. So these are also known as transition element or transition metal. These are inner transition element or inner transition metals. Our question, why these elements are known as d block element? A direct answer, because last electron of these elements will enter in d orbital. Then it is known as d block elements. And these d block elements are again known as transition metal or transition element. Why we call these as transition metal or element? That is the same thing, because they have similar properties between S. They have intermediate property between S and D block elements. S and P block elements. Beta, these transition elements are known as transition metal because they have unpaired electron. Because they have unpaired electron. Because they have unpaired electron, either one electron or more in their valence shell or in their outermost electronic configuration. Beta, I will